Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to utilize the corner function on your BotX XSR. So here on the pendant, we're going to create a new weld node, and we're going to create our approach using that blue button, create our weld start, now as I go to program the corner, I am just going to program one waypoint that pretty much just splits that corner right in half. Save that point, and now one final point as to where I want the weld to end, and then I will move into my exit point. So now in the software, I'm going to go into parameters. In order to utilize your corner function, you have to have the angles, corrective angles, turned on. In the corner function, we're going to first set the corner distance, and that is how far from that corner point is the torch going to start making that curve. So for this one, we're going to put 0.12 inches. And we are going to have a speed change of about 10%. These two values will require a little bit of trial and error based on your weld piece and the bead profile that you're looking for. Now let's run it and see how the corner looks. And this is how you use the corner function on your BotX XSR.